Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to create and use multiple desktops in Windows 11. So what you want to do, just simply right click on your taskbar on Windows here and click on taskbar settings. Now, once this appears, you want to look for the option that says task view. And as you can see here under this taskbar settings here, you want to enable task view. Once you do that, you will have the task view option on your desktop, right? So as you can see, once I turn it off, it's no longer visible. Once I turn it on, it's visible. So how do you actually go ahead and use task view on Windows? All you have to do is simply look towards the lower left hand side of your taskbar menu options. This is usually showing up right next to the search. Now mine is a little bit blank, but if you hover over this section here, you will see that it shows the option that says desktop 1 and desktop 2. So you can add a new desktop right here, and once you add that, it should basically give you more desktops, and you can always go ahead and let's say rename them. So to rename, you can right click on any desktop and you can rename, you can choose a background, you can move, you can close, whatever it is that you need to. But that's pretty much all you do it, guys. Very easy and very simple.